Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I have literally 1 week until I do a market and I have no stock whatsoever. So the next week, hopefully I'm going to have time to actually restock and have a few items. I do have dog beds, so that's good, but nothing else. So hopefully I will get a lot made and you can see the process of that. So this is how this bag turned out. I'm gonna make a few more. I need to cut lining pieces for these and then I'll be ready to sew all this together. How cute is this sign? So what I did is I just printed out a A2 size poster and I backed it up in that frame. So I'm going to actually use that for the market, but I think it also looks really cute just up here on this door in my studio. Quick progress report. So I made these two tote bags. They have magnetic closures and this front print for the lining. I just made two of them. So this one is a little bit more slouchy and this one has a little bit more stability, but basically they're good for just like shopping and things. And I have this little bag as well. So just like a few of each thing, and then after that I will see what else I can make. I'm also just making a few more of these feather pins. So you saw how I made them. I'm just gonna make a couple more just to add a little bit of color to the things that I have. Good morning, everyone. It is literally the day of the market, and yesterday we had no electricity for most of the day. I had so much to do, hence why I'm awake so early and it's still dark. So I'm gonna get all of that done. I got ready just in case the electricity decides to go off again, but hopefully not because I don't know if I'll make it. So I got a gazebo and everything. So we're gonna set up. I'm probably gonna leave later. The market starts at 9. I wanted to be there at 7, but I'll probably only leave there at 8. It was about like 10 to 15 minutes away. So yeah, fingers crossed. Good morning, everyone. It is the Monday after the market. I would just like to gather my thoughts and tell you just how everything went. So I was really happy with the atmosphere and everything. Obviously, it was the first time that they were having this market, so I feel like it wasn't properly advertised. But there were a lot of people stopping by because it was on the main road and asking about it and things. So I think there's a lot of potential for this to become a monthly thing. They were speaking about that. I did make sales, which was really good because I've been for 2 markets and both of them were really bad. So I went into this thinking that, you know what, I probably won't sell anything just in case. I have to showcase my products as well as have a lot of business cards. I think if you're thinking about doing a market, one of the best things to do is have business cards, because like I said, in the previous markets I went to, I didn't sell a lot, but I did actually make after sales because of people who had taken my details and saw that this is what I have to sell. A lot of people may not have money at the time, but when they're looking for something, then they will think about you. So a lot of it is also just like going in there and letting it be a marketing exercise. But like I said, I was happy with this one because I did actually make quite a lot of sales. There were people at the market who didn't, but like I said, if they come back the next time and like persevere, then people will be like, oh yeah, they had this, let's go back and get it. And they know where to find you. And also, if you are selling, a lot of the people aren't comfortable just ordering online or sending you EFT money to someone that they haven't seen. But if they've seen you like face to face, they're more likely to call you and be like, you know what, I want this. Can I have your bank details or something like that? So a lot of it is just like actually putting yourself out there. But this one really, it paid off for me, and I'm hoping that they will actually have it once a month because I'd be super keen on trying that out. Because I'm not so comfortable with vlogging in front of people, I didn't get a lot of like footage of it, just mainly like my table and a few photos. But I'm sure that if I do this again, I would be a bit more confident because I did make some friends there, which was nice, and some others who said that they would be coming in again if they do the market. So for me, somebody who with like struggles with just like being out there and talking to people, it makes me a little bit more excited to know that the next time I go there, I'm gonna see familiar faces. So we'll see how that goes, but overall it was just a good experience and something that I would look at doing again. Thanks so much for watching and joining me on this little week journey. Take care, everyone. Bye.